Hey guys, welcome back to the Bass Garage. Today we're going to do a little short video of how to change spark plugs on a 17 Honda Civic 1.5 Earth Dreams technology with turbo. Pretty straightforward. You're going to need, let's see, the 9/16. Let me flip this around. A 9/16 spark plug socket. I have a magnetic one. I'm telling you what, it makes your life a lot easier. And then a longer extension. So first off, take the clip off here. 10 millimeter. Take the bolt out for the coil pack. And just lift the coil pack out. Like this car is right around 100,000. A lot of times you can replace these boots here, but I honestly don't think it's just preventative maintenance that we're doing today. It's not that there's an issue. So these look good. Now I got them just in case, but I think we're okay. So then take that in there. And I'm gonna set this up because I need two hands for this. Then get it broke loose. You always want to check these plugs too for to see if there's any oil that's been leaking out around the valve cover there at the spark plug tube. So we got this one out. Take this out. Definitely hasn't had any oil around there. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. We are replacing them with OEM plugs and GK laser iridium. These you do not, I repeat, you do not have to and you don't gap them, because you'll destroy the plug. And then, as always, screw them in by hand, so you know that you don't want to mess the threads up in the head, because you'll really be in a pickle then. There's probably a torque spec on these, but that's about, I torque it to my wrist pops, and that's good enough for that torque spec. And basically you could put some little lube there on the end of that, but these are newer. They fit in there pretty well. I had no problem getting them out. So, and then get that bolt back in there. If you notice, I barely triggered that, because you don't want to snap and break the valve cover. Probably be better off if you use a little 1/4-inch drive ratchet or something. I'll do the same thing over here. Take that out. Plug the clip there. Pull that out. That one looks good as well. No signs of oil down in there. Get it loose enough with the ratchet. I already did the first two, so we're not going to have to go through all that on the video. It's pretty much the same thing, each one of them. These are pretty simple to do, so don't be scared to try it. Same thing there. No sign of oil. Again, we're using OEM plugs. And what I like about the magnetic spark plug socket, and this one is made by OEM tools. I got all the sizes. They work great, especially when you're dealing with cars that have the spark plug tubes, which is a lot of them nowadays. And then I think it's a snap-on extension here, 3/8 drive. That's what the sockets are. It's 3/8 drive. You know, remember, you don't have to get crazy on those bad boys. Now, if this is the Honda Fit, you definitely want to torque them to a certain torque spec, because if you don't get them tight enough, those spark plugs are gonna pop out, back out and pop out, and potentially ruin the threads. So again, if you want to torque them, you can torque them, you know, to the torque spec. But for me, I've been doing this for so long, I can pretty much tell when it's tight enough or you're going to get getting too tight. So that pretty much sums that up. So here is the part numbers for these spark plugs for the 2017 1.5 Earth Dreams technology with turbo. Definitely check with your specs for your vehicle. That way, make sure you get the right plugs and everything. But yeah, that's how you change the spark plugs out on a 2017 Honda Civic with 1.5. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it helped a lot of you. If it did, you know, let me know. There's something different you'd like me to do. You know, like I guess I could have included the torque specs, but you can look that up. That's what Google's for. Or you can call Honda. They might give you information. But until next time, guys, keep your hands dirty.